Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Designer Secrets, Tips, Tricks, and Hacks. My name is Lori, and today we are going to shake off those winter blues and get ready for spring and summer. There are some awesome, easy decor ideas that we can do to get our homes freshened up and feel like spring and be ready for those warmer temperatures. Of course, if you're living in Antarctica or wherever, that may not be possible, but we can pretend. So let's get started. Okay, for this first slide, I want to show you some family rooms that are a little more subdued. They are all very similar. I'm talking about the top three slides, or top three pictures, I should say. And they are different in the manner of decor style. However, you can see the coloring is the same. So we don't have a lot of bright colors. We have some darker blankets, some winter wheat, and dried flowers, all which does not scream spring or summer. So if you look below, I found some images of other family rooms that are similar in style. And if you just easily pop in some colorful pillows, like you see down here in the bottom left, and some greenery, maybe a brighter piece of art that you can pull in, that's great. And it really freshens things up and adds a lot of character and kind of that spring and summer vibe. In the center photo at the bottom, you can see that there are some, it looks like cherry blossoms in the greenery, and some blush colored pillows with some other lighter colored decorative pillows that you could do instead of the monochromatic beige pillows that are on the upper photo. And you can see the coloring's the same. The wall paint's the same. The white furniture is the same. However, on the upper picture, you'll see that it's got kind of a dark maroon colored floral arrangement on the coffee table. And in the picture below with those cherry blossoms, it's a lighter, prettier pink color, and it really kind of livens and freshens things up. And spoiler alert, you're going to see a lot more pink everywhere, which we're calling it blush, not pink. I apologize. So get ready, get prepared, and try some in your own house. It's a really fun color to add in and add a little interest to your home. So on the center picture, you'll see that the blanket is a more drab plaid color. Below, you've got the, looks like kind of a white faux fur throw blanket. So again, just lighter, brighter colors, and it really makes a big difference. And on the far right, you kind of have the boho chic look going on. Again, you've got the warm tones with the winter wheat and the ivory colored pieces, including the pillows. But when you look below, simply adding in some bright pillows and some palm trees instead of that winter wheat really makes a huge difference. And that is a very minimal effort and cost to do that. So on the next slide, I want to talk about fireplaces if you have a fireplace. So that element of a room is a obvious reminder that we have fall and winter because we need to warm ourselves by the fires. But in the spring and summer, maybe you don't want to remember those seasons. So some things you can do, like in this top center photo here, are just simply place some birch branches, which you can find at pretty much any craft store, maybe even at a like a Home Depot or Lowe's. Sometimes they put things out like that. Just arrange them, and it kind of brightens up that black hole that you've got in your fireplace there. And you can also add in some greenery, as you can see in the bottom two photos. Again, it livens it up, brightens it up, and kind of takes away the big black square box that everybody looks at in the summer that doesn't have any fire going on. And as a side note to the right here, you can see there are some forsythia branches in a clear glass vase on a coffee table, and some dried flowers in clear glass vases below that. And you can really see just what changing out those branches does for a space. It makes something that's a little drab look a little bit more bright and cheerful. And in these images, you'll see that they are kitchen and dining room, and those are really the heart of the home. And again, bringing in some brighter florals, some maybe fruit that's real or fake, your choice. Depends how fast you eat it. Can really brighten things up. So in the top left, you see it's just a fun tablescape, super simple, with some eucalyptus leaves and lemons, and just a nice natural setting with the lemons on the plate. Really easy, but really summery and fun. Below that, you will see, again, like what I talked about before, instead of darker colored flowers, you've got the white flowers, and then you have a cloche, which is the fancy word for that jar thing that's sitting on that pedestal, with the green apples in it. So it's just a light, bright, airy way to decorate your kitchen. And in the two center photos, you will see dining room tables that have the brighter floral arrangements, some colorful candles, some nice place settings with some color and texture to them. All are great ways to kind of dress up a table. And in the bottom photo in particular, you will notice colored glassware. That is huge right now. Everybody's getting back into that colored glassware, just like what we used in the 70s and 80s and 60s, maybe, depending on your age. You'll remember what I'm talking about. And if you don't, then you're super young and I'm really jealous. But anyhow, those are some great ways to add color, texture to your dining table: candles, flowers, and glassware. And on the right two photos, the top photo and the bottom photo there, both have white kitchen cabinets and light colors in general. You'll notice that changing out the dark maroon colored floral arrangement, the breadboard, the dark heavy wood pieces with the lemons in a clear glass jar, and well, actually it's a bowl, and then the floral arrangement of spring branches in the clear glass jar. What a difference that makes. So you can really see the background palette is almost identical, but what a difference that makes in making it look more fresh, springy, summery, and again, super simple ways to make that ready for spring and summer. So, some other fun things you can do that are really inexpensive and really easy are your window treatments. If you have some darker colored window panels, you could change them out to maybe a sheer or something that's a light linen and lets in a lot of natural light. Changing out your lampshades, that can make a big difference too. If you have some darker colors on those, adding some light, bright ivory or white lampshades. Again, it's a lot about lighting. It'll make the room brighter, and you would be surprised how much of a difference that makes. And like we talked about previously, throw blankets are huge. Even in the summer, you will get a little chilly if the air's turned up or we have cool summer nights. So throw blankets are still fine, but a lighter weight material and a nice, pretty light color palette, or even just a nice light white. That was hard to say. Say that 5 times fast. So that is my 2 cents on how to brighten up things for the spring and summer. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Have a great day.